This is 19.
Huh?
This is number 19.
Yep,
zoom in good and get a good video.
There's a coal train.
Yep.
Coal.
Yep. Zoom in on it and get a good view of it. He won't see you, buddy.
I wish.
And,
5257, 5486. Oh, it's the Coke Express one.
Yep.
Huh?
Yep.
Why is it called Coke? Oh.
Now, after this one, that'll go through.
Yeah.
Still filming?
Yep. Oh, there's the end of it.